The finesse of building your business and earning more income on Fiverr comes down to how you take advantage of being a seller and Fiverr's payment process platform. Because of Fiverr's global presence, the earning potential is nearly unlimited for sellers looking to exceed customers' expectations. To streamline every order, customers pay up front. This payment is held by Fiverr until the service is completed, at which time the funds are released to you. Gone are the days of chasing clients for 90 days or more until you're paid. Customers don't need to hassle themselves with contracts or agreements. They can simply order and go, without worrying about time management, invoicing, or other project logistics. Plus, with Fiverr, payments are secured, and through the Fiverr platform, you're protected from any kind of credit card fraud. All you have to do to start your new income is provide professional services, communicate, and be polite. Any customer can respect a seller who delivers on time and values their work. Think about it like this. If you put forth positive energy will come back to you. If you follow this idea, you'll always be able to grow your brand and business. The more business you do on Fiverr, the more visible you'll be in Fiverr's marketplace. It's that simple. How do you turn your services into a Fiverr profile that will succeed worldwide? That's coming up in the next video.